Hey parents, is it time to adjust your kid's nap schedule? Well, science says no. In a new study examining data from infants aged 6 months to roughly 3 years old, scientists have found that your nap patterns really correlate most strongly with your natural neurological development. See, COVID actually provided us some of the best new data for naps in many years. Traditionally, it was really hard to figure out how naps associated with things like cognitive maturity because kids would be going to daycare and doing other activities outside the home that would sometimes potentially disrupt their natural nap cycle. But during COVID, all that changed. A lot of kids stayed home and therefore followed their natural nap cycle much more closely than they otherwise would have. And what they found was even after correcting for things like age, sex, and socioeconomic status, the best predictor of nap schedule was natural cognitive development. In particular, kids with smaller vocabularies and less developed executive function skills napped more often for smaller amounts of time than those who were a little bit further along. And that based on this and other research, this fits with the model where the body will naturally take naps when it needs to in order to go through that learning and development process. In the words of Dr. Gliga, the lead researcher on this project, young children will naturally nap for as long as they need, and they should be allowed to do just that. So don't worry whether your kid is napping too much or too little for their age compared to their friends, because their body's taking care of it, and let them nap as long as they need.